You can see this happening in me now. Things are hurt. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna be showing off the Gladiator Arena right now. Fifth video of the day. Um, yeah. Can I explain before recording? I'm gonna explain this really quickly in 2 seconds. Uh, Annoying at school, aka my friend named Jack, called me Cinderella one time because I threw my shoe at basketball. I got stuck in a hoop. Noticed Sydney, and Lennon was laughing at me for it. So I picked it. Okay, let's go. We're gonna showcase the beta testing of the Gladiator Arena. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry for my voice, little brother, Aiden. Yes, I almost called him. Okay, yeah, like, subscriber in the next 5 seconds, there is Mike crawl on your face. Okay, so we have 4 separate classes here too, that we have. We're gonna hope more, including maybe a secret one. So we have, which Lennon's also a Viking. It is a slightly slower than normal character. It's fast in here because I made it so you're faster in the spawn room. With a hammer, 250 health, 0 shield, and chug blood. Chuggle, a chug. Okay, so now we have Lennon here has it. It's the knight who has this cool sword with I should show you. It shows like these cool swing and everything. You have like a super attack and everything. 125 health, pretty good over shield actually, and little chug splashes. Uh, okay. Next we have mage. The mage is kind of hard to play as sometimes because all you get for like to use is mainly consumable dual feed hunters. So you have stink bombs, grenades, vendetta floppers to track them, and shield keg with also the dual feed hunters. And Landon is showing off our final one, which is the archer. You have a grappler bow, mechanical bow, some meat that you can use to heal, a primal stink bow. You are the fastest of the characters, and you have minis, even though you actually can't use these, which I thought was funny. So yeah. Okay, let's hop into the start area and we'll begin. Okay, so we spawned in these little boxes for like a good 10 seconds. Kind of Hunger Games style. Which, please don't sue. And you drop down into the arena and you're ready to fight. So we designed this little Coliseum one time, like yesterday, and you're able to like grapple around as the archer, do whatever. You can kind of get on the walls. I'm hopefully gonna fix that in the future, but for now it's a feature. Trust me. You can't go in the stands. We're working on a spectator, which is literally just a person. Oh, jeez, that is able to stay in the stands and kind of just watch the whole thing. Uh, so yeah. So Landon is the knight. He is pretty fast. I did not mean to throw that. It's mine. See, the pretty fast character, and oh wow, he got a crit. He got a crit. That is a 5% chance, but it is an insta kill on the archer and not an insta kill on anything else. Just the archer. It's a 2-shot on anything else, but it's a 5% chance. And yeah, I already got hit. Although I did heal back up with me. Oh wow. So he just told me that he hit me for 180 damage, which is no overpowered at all, which is why I'm not choosing the knight at all. Okay, so let's go. I just realized if I throw a grenade in the box that I'm in, I'm for sure dead. I can heal it back eventually, but like... Oh, there he is. Ow, ow. Jeez, the knockback off the side. I have my own form of locking on, Landon. It's called cheating. Aimbot. Vendetta Flopper. Ow. Oh, jeez, he almost hit me with that super. That's powerful. Yeah! So it's just meant to be some quick matches where you kind of just hop in here with friends and, it's 100 rounds. You're not meant to play them all. But you're able to literally just do whatever. whatever you want. You're able to do anything you please with the classes. I actually fixed that glitch, and he was talking about a glitch where you were able to, and I'll show you this right now. You used to be able to go over, say here, right? And I dropped this stuff, right? So I dropped all my stuff, right? And then I went into the night area and got this, and then I used to be able to pick it up. But I fixed that, so now stuff just immediately gets deleted whenever you drop it. So yeah, okay, let's go in. Drop it. I mean, come on, people. Come on. No, no, I'm not. He just asked if I was catcalling. Oh, I got a crit. Let's go. Goodbye, Lennon. Haha. Huh? It was like 45, but the first time is like 180. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do one more round, and then we're gonna switch to replay mode because it takes longer the longer the video is. It takes longer to upload it with the screencast-o-matic that we're using, so it can get kind of annoying. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. We'll like pose in the arena doing like emotes and stuff. Okay, so Lennon just suggested that we can like do a little photo shoot in the arena, which I think that'd be cool. So here, Lennon, let's get a side by side of us right over here. Right here. So I'm gonna pause and I'll record for a little bit. Us, taking our little pics together. Okay, so I'm gonna start the photo shoot part of this. So here we go. Three, two, one, go. See it? Oh, Mr. Monkey Gorilla Man. We'll get some cool pics of this in replay mode. See, oh, that gorilla swinging that hammer. Let's get a slow-mo jump shot and boom. Okay, that was cool. Okay, on to the next picture. Let's go, let's go. Okay, next picture, I'm still recording by the way. We're gonna go, let's jump on this pole right up here or something. We can make it. If we charge up our super and then jump off of here, I think we should be able to make it. Oh, yeah, great. Okay, let's get a little, picture of us on this one. This one we get up to. That's for sure. I'm gonna 3, 2, 1 it, and then we're gonna both jump down with our hammers slam on the pillar. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, I gotta heal now. Okay, we're gonna do the final little picture right now, and then we'll get them in replay mode, and I will put them together for you guys, and you'll be able to see them. So yep, let's go in it. Get over here, and we're gonna take our last picture, which slam. Ah, okay, don't. You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill me. Okay. Well, bye. Oh, wrong way. Well, but why is it going inside? Well, but what? But now it's going backwards. There we go. Okay, ready? And bo- and boom, she's dead. Yeah. Haha. Got it. Okay, yeah, we're gonna head to replay now. Boom. And yeah, we can get some cool pics hopefully of us just messing around. Okay, we're in replay mode now, and here, we'll just watch the last end of this fight right here. That's where I killed Lennon, and the game ended. Okay. So we're gonna hopefully I'm gonna watch through this and I'll show you guys the cool little pics that we get. Hopefully we get some cool action shots and stuff. So there we go. This is our first picture right here. Let's see. Can I bang? Look at that. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Here, let's zoom in a little more. Just look. Take your screenshots, people. All right. I'll see you guys when I'm done with the. Boom. We got pick two right. Look at this one. This one's amazing. You ready? Look. We got a super zoom. Look at this. All right. Look. This. It's your wallpaper, right? It's wallpaper. None of you have children, but if you do, it's their wallpaper now. All right. It's your grandparents' wallpaper. It should be everyone's wallpaper. I'm just kidding, by the way. It's kind of terrible, but good at the same time. So I'll see you on the next picture. All right, we got the next one right here. It is Mr. Monkey going insane. All right, so let's see. So get this. Here's Mr. Landon here. Mr. Beast Boy is here. Let's see what he does. There we go. There's Mr. Beast Landon. Look at those monkey eyes. This man's full of fury. Oh, what's he doing? What's the monkey doing? Oh, he just slammed that hammer on you. What's this monkey gonna do? What's he gonna do? This poor person. Oh, oh, the monkey goes in for a slam down. Okay, I'll see you guys. Okay, you ready? We got some two Vikings. They're about to slam down. Look, we got me at the top of the pole here. Got little old Landon on his way. He jumps up. He makes it up here. Yes, he is taller than me. Who cares? All right, you ready for this? Look, oh, I'm going in and slam down. All right, now it's Landon's turn. Slam down. Look at this. Here, we're gonna get this in super slow mo right now. You ready, guys? Are you ready? I can't hear you. I SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's see it. You ready? Oh, sorry, no copyright. Sorry. Put a bleep in there. Bleep. No. But it's okay, because, again, small YouTube channel. There was, like, this one small one that had, like, 500 people subscribed. And they weren't getting copyright stricken, so whatever. Okay. But, you ready for this? Look at this. I'm going. Oh, look at that action pose right there. And boom. And let's see, Landon's here starting his. He's going. Look at that glowing hammer. Look at this thing. It's so cool. The Melee Manager is so cool. Here, let's go. You ready for this? Boom. Oh no, we just got slammed. Okay, so for this next one, we got Mr. Lane over here. I'm chuggle-gluggling somewhere. Right down here for me. Poor old unsuspecting Caleb. And we're about to hit a statue. That sounds so weird when I say that out loud. But yeah. Look at that. Boom. Ready? Boom. We'll get a slow-mo. That's cool. We're back. We're gonna get this last little slow-mo bit with her here. Ready for this? Go a little bit faster right now. Camera mode, and let's go. Boom. I hit her spear. And watch this. You ready? Imagine you're me for a second, alright? Wait. How did I get here? Well, see. There's a man named Landon. And this man, well, he's a monkey. And I mean that, and he can turn into a monkey as beast. So yeah, I just got completely wrecked. And well, that's the end of the video. So I'm out. I'll see you later.